Okay guys, this is the second video. Let me show you exactly. So what we discovered is those planters have plenty of old waterproofing. As you can see, now we're excavating, we're removing the old waterproofing, but it has no drainage system. Okay, this is the end result of our planters. So we have dug the soil out, we installed some waterproofing materials, a drainage system that goes all the way from here and then here by the perimeter. Those are cleanups, and everything is going down the hill into a sump pump pit. This is it.